Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit. As you can see, adds quite a bit of height, and sitting on some 20-inch fuel off-road rims with some 35-inch General Grabber tires on there too, pocket-style fender flares, and Bulletproof offset Mudflaps. So looking pretty mean, but let's take a look inside. And first looking in the back, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle you have fold out armrests with 2 cup holders like so, as well as 2 more right here in the middle with a 12 volt, 2 USBs, and 110 volt power outlet there, as well as having heated rear seats, which is always nice for the rear passengers. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on this cold morning, so warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at information such as your trip 1 and 2 stats, your fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and auto start stop status. So when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. Moving over to your truck info such as tire pressures, digital speedometer, and engine info. Then your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for features around your vehicle and your screen in general. You also have a favorites view where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth compatible. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then you have your Bluetooth phone or digital climate controls with dual front climate and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay cozy in the colder months, or keep your fingers warm actually. Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your hill descent assist, traction control shutoff, hazards, auto start stop shutoff, and lane keeping system. Shut off, I would assume. Not sure why you would, but it is there. Vehicle does also come with a B&O sound system. That's Bang & Olufsen, so your audio is going to sound pretty good. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here. Once again with dual front climate, but also with heated and air-conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, Pro Trailer backup controller underneath that, and trailer brake controller at the very bottom. On the right you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Then down below you have this compartment which opens to reveal 2 USBs and some space, so you can plug something into power charge from there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift your gears, as well as your drive mode selector here at the bottom of the shifter for normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport modes. Then you have a cubby, 2 cup holders, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. And inside you have a ton of room, including another 12 volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. And looking back, you do also have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof, so you can land in the sunshine on a nice sunny day or a breeze while you're out for a cruise. There you can see that, but that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck and wouldn't mind one with some upgrades already installed, this is certainly an excellent choice. Feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.